Welcome to the FTA tutorial videos on how to complete your VAT return. You've just watched our video on how to complete Box 9 of the VAT return. In this module, we'll explain how to complete boxes 10 to 14 of the VAT return. Box 10 allows you to recover any VAT you have paid as output tax under the reverse charge mechanism, which was declared in boxes 3, 6 and 7 of the VAT return. If you are entitled to recover some or all of the VAT declared under the reverse charge mechanism, you should include the full net value of the expenses in the Amount column and the recoverable VAT on those expenses in the Recoverable VAT Amount column. Any element of the VAT incurred on expenses which were subject to the reverse charge mechanism and which is not recoverable should not be reported in any of these boxes. For example, if you previously declared supplies of 1 million dirhams which were subject to VAT under the reverse charge mechanism in box 3 of the VAT return, you should also have declared 50,000 dirhams of output tax due on that supply. If you are entitled to recover all of the VAT incurred under the reverse charge mechanism, you should declare the same net value in box 10 and recover the same value of VAT. If, however, you are only entitled to recover half of the VAT incurred, then in box 10 you should declare 1 million dirhams in the Amount column and 25,000 dirhams in the Recoverable VAT Amount column. Even where you can't recover all of the VAT incurred on the supply, it is important that the full value of the supply and all of the output tax due to the FTA has been included within box 3. Box 11 then automatically calculates the total of the values declared in box 9 and box 10. These totals represent the total value of VAT you are entitled to recover, as well as any adjustments made to those values. All of the information you have just entered into the VAT return is summarized in the final section, which is headed Net VAT Due. This section is automatically populated based on the details entered above. Box 12 calculates the total value of the due tax for the tax period, which is the total value of output tax due on supplies made, plus any adjustments. Box 13 then calculates the total value of recoverable tax for the period, which is the total value of recoverable input tax, plus any adjustments. In box 14, the total value of recoverable tax in box 13 is deducted from the total due tax in box 12 to calculate the payable tax for the period. You've now completed boxes 10 to 14 of the VAT return. Watch the next video to learn how to submit and pay your VAT return.